Is it possible to live a debt-free and loan-free life? Do you dream of living your life without the burden of excessive debt? In this video, we will find out if it is possible to achieve this lifestyle. It is possible, but not easy. My name is Unwana Udoh and my channel is for anyone looking for strategies to improve their personal finance and grow their wealth. Make sure to watch till the end. I have a great announcement to make, you don't want to miss this. Living debt-free requires great financial discipline in order to maintain a debt-free life. Here are 3 steps on how to live debt-free while maintaining a decent lifestyle. Number 1. You must get rid of debt. This should be your first step to living a debt-free lifestyle. You must cut up any credit cards that you currently have and do not apply for new credit cards. Pay your bills on time, sending as much as possible to one account while paying the minimum due on all of your other accounts until the account is paid off. Do this until all of your debts are paid off. Number 2. You must create a budget. A budget is your financial roadmap on how to allocate your financial resources. If you want to live without debt, you must have a financial budget. Without budgeting for expenses, majority of people overspend on unnecessary items. However, when emergencies occur, these individuals resort to credit cards to make ends meet. Start by making a list of every monthly expense you have. Then, make another list of every incidental expense that you pay throughout the year but not necessarily on a monthly basis. If you usually get 3 oil changes a year at $50 a piece, you need to plan for $150 a year for oil changes, which is the equivalent of $13 per month. Once you have a comprehensive list, subtract your total monthly expenses from your total monthly income and see what is left over. Make sure you include savings accounts in your expenses. You must pay yourself first no matter what happens. If there is money left over, congratulations. Use this surplus cash to pay down or pay off your consumer debt. Alternatively, you can invest it in an individual retirement account, or even a money market account with high interest rates as an emergency fund. Number 3. You must avoid taking on more debt. Make all of your purchases with cash to prevent falling into the debt trap. If you found value so far, hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more great content. As you work on living a debt-free lifestyle, here's how to manage your money. It's important that you track your spending habits for a period of time in order to see where your money is being wasted and where you can cut costs while maintaining a decent lifestyle. Keep a notebook where you list every single item you purchase, including the amount you paid, where you purchased it, and the reason. Include all bills that were paid, how much you paid, and how much you still owe. After a few months of tracking your spending habits, you will be able to determine exactly where all of your money is going, and you may be surprised at how much your little purchases are adding up and eating away at the money you could have used to pay off your debt and enjoy a debt-free lifestyle. That cup of coffee you grab every morning on the way to work could be costing you $10 or more each week, roughly about $40 per month. Brewing your own coffee at home could save you a lot since you can buy a bag of coffee for about $5 and it will last you about a month. How do you remain debt-free after debt recovery? One of the biggest mistakes people make after making a financial recovery is to fall back into old habits. Before they know it, they've racked up thousands in credit card debt and heading down the same path. You do not need to have credit cards in order to survive. Yes, it is a very odd feeling to go from having several cards to having none. It is the safest way to avoid overspending. You may want to keep one credit card in a safe place in your home, for purchases that do require a credit card. Think long and hard before using the card, and if it is possible to buy it with cash then do that instead. A credit card should not be used for every purchase, nor should it be used when you want to buy something unnecessary that you don't have enough cash to purchase. If you want a luxury item, save your money until you can afford to buy it. By applying the strategies mentioned in this video, you will be able to live a debt-free life as well. Thank you for watching this far, and as I promised at the beginning of this video, here is my announcement. I recently just released a new course, Personal Finance Domination. In this course, you will learn all the strategies you need to take charge of your personal finance and grow your wealth. I am currently offering this course for a limited time at an introductory one-time price of $27 with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Check the description below for the link to sign up for this course before the price goes up to $97. Don't miss out on this great offer, and I look forward to welcoming you to the course. The next videos on the screen contain information you will love. Click to watch them now and I will see you there.